Guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you my massive cruise ship. But first, before I do that, I'm going to show you the outside. Sorry if it's a little bit laggy. I haven't been using this phone for a while, but it's still good. And now I'm going to show you the cruise ship. Wait, let me check if it's that laggy. Okay, it's okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, now here's my cruise ship. I'm going to give you a tour. I'm just starting to build a yacht, but that's not how it looks like, so I'm still starting to build it. Here's the cruise ship. I'm going to show you all around, and yeah. Okay, here is the back part. In the very under, there's the very big engine. Same as the other side. And yeah, it's just don't worry, this is just the same thing as the other side. And yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait. Just wait. Okay. We're back. Let's do this. Sorry guys, just wait. Sorry for the wait. Just wait, please. Okay guys, thanks for waiting. We're back here. Right here. And I need to check something. Oh my gosh, I'm so... Please, I'm very sorry for the lag. I don't know what happened.
Shall read a decree. Royal Hound, fetch me the scroll.
Please, guys, just wait. Please, you can wait. Please. Sorry. Please. Okay. Now let's get on to the video. Oh my gosh. I really don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Okay. Now let's play. It's not that laggy now. Yeah, but yeah, let's do it. Let's do this. So right here you can have your food court is the food court. We call this food court. And this one is the gym. You can lift weights right there. And the back of the disco ball. Not much to see, but right here says if your kids want to play for computers, here it is. And then in the back is just like a playground. And right here, here is there's just a waiting lounge, and then you can play basketball. That makes it popular inside basketball. And yeah, sorry for all the sounds and loud things outside. There's my dog barking. He's stupid. Okay, she's stupid. Okay, that's just like another plaything. Here's another food stop, and right here you can see the arcade. This part is the arcade, and yeah, trampoline, and only crew members right there. That's where they work. And then you want to see how high we are right now. We are this high. Awesome view. And yeah, let's go down. No, I mean go up. Wait. Let's go up. We're almost there, guys. You're right there. And then this one is like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, okay. This one is the pool, the diving board. Go up, and then go. Sorry for the squid.
Which is what I wanted most of all. As Queen of Donkovania, I say to thee, let my
Wait.
puppet go. This play great.
Okay. Right there, food stop, and this is just the pool right there. And then I haven't showed you rooms yet, but now I'm going to show. And yeah, you'll be seeing the rooms in the next video, part 2. Thanks for watching. Peace out.